Hi guys, so in this video I am sharing my everyday makeup routine which is simple and practically possible for office and college going and can be completed in 5 minutes only. Seriously, I timed it. So on a day-to-day basis, I really don't do anything crazy. I am going to walk you through each step of my routine plus share the products that I use. So yes, let's begin. So yes, that's my no makeup face. And my first step is moisturizer. I use Lakme Peach Moisturizer. It has lightweight formula and this works really well for me. Also keep my face hydrated all day long. So I apply it all over my face and neck. Now I'm using Lakme CC cream. For everyday I prefer BB cream or CC cream over foundation because it's so lightweight and provides pretty decent coverage. So I just take little amount of this on back of my hand and place random dots all over my face. And now I'm using my fingers to blend it properly to even out my skin tone. You can even use makeup brushes or beauty sponge. Now it's a Maybelline Fit Me concealer. It's amazing. It's my go-to product. I apply it under and over my eyes to cover my dark circles and over any discolored area or blemishes. So I usually blend with my fingers only. Try to dab it and cover any discoloration you have. Also, it's an optional step. If you don't have any discoloration or you don't require any concealer, then you can skip this step. So it's a Color Essence Compact Powder. Once all of your wet products are applied, you must set them with the powder to stay long. So I applied all over my face and neck in dabbing motion. It's a Maybelline Fashion Brows Cream Pencil for my brows. This is such an amazing product. If you are a beginner and want to try something for your brows, then I will surely recommend this. As you can see, it just makes instant difference. Filling your brows makes such a difference. It just enhances your features more. So it's a Lotus Color Kick Kajal. So I'm a complete kajal person. I love wearing kajal. So I apply this on first my waterline and then on my upper lash line to give an illusion of eyeliner. So I do not use eyeliner on everyday basis, but yes, sometimes I do. So it's a Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. Time to make my eyes little pop up with mascara. It instantly brightens your eyes and look more awake. And I apply this on both my upper and lower lash line. It's a L18 matte lipstick. Shade is Mauve Date. For everyday, I'll prefer to use nude color or not so bold color, and this is perfect for everyday whether you go office or college. And that's it. My everyday look is just meant to even out my skin plus give my face a little life. I want my skin to have a healthy, even glow without going over the top. So this routine may seem like a lot of steps to some, but once you have got it down, it really does not take very long at all. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Also make sure you like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.